I recently found myself in a Williams-Sonoma store, and way in the back they have a section called What MARC Can Afford, and that's where they keep the wooden utensils. Well, they had this great little spatula chopper little deal for sauteing, and it was a really nice looking utensil, and I looked at the price. It was 25 bucks. So I was like, that's totally not worth it. I'm gonna go back to the shop and make my own for a whole lot less. So there you go, a couple hours of work and I got myself a dream wooden utensil, and I didn't have to spend $25.